Okay, hello and welcome. I'm going to play three hands bridge online, comment about what I'm doing at the fundamental level. If you're just learning bridge or just trying to get a better grasp of what's going on, this may be helpful. If you're at that level, this book may be helpful. My very, very quick bridge lesson. These are points ranges, so your bidding is expressing points ranges, your partner's bidding is expressing points ranges, and you are trying to find a game. Find out what your partner's bidding is telling you about theirs, add your points, and adjust for shape. And if you have enough points, go for game. Generally, I like to add, as your bidding is playing, you will be having much wider points ranges. The more you bid, you will be narrowing down these points ranges or narrowing them down. So that will be giving additional information. So watch for that. I'll be using the standard American yellow card convention. You can find this at the ACBL website. And, if you're just learning, get this out, figure it out, see what it means. Let's go in and find ourselves a casual table. See if we can't get a game here. So no profile, so we don't know, so we will see how this goes. This is an interesting hand. I have 8, 9 high card points, singleton. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. This almost counts as 2 honors. It's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and open a weak 2. Now there's a couple of things I look for in a weak bid. First off, I should have 2 honors. A little weak in that area. Biggest other thing, I should have side suit control. So I have a singleton spade, so I'm not going to lose more than 1 spade. I have an ace over here in the clubs. Diamond's a little worrisome, but we'll see. Partner has jumped up to 4 hearts. So partner has hearts, partner has good points. Partner wants to take our partner. Partner should know that I'm down here in the 6 to 10 range with the weak open. Maybe assume a little bit up here in the better part of that, but not necessarily. Partner should theoretically have 18 or 19 points to take me up to game. What do we have here? 10, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, it's pretty good. What do we want to do with these diamonds? Like I said, the diamonds are a little worrisome. I like the clubs. We're going to take control of the diamonds. And we're going to draw some trump. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more out there. And 1 more over here. While we're over here, I'm going to try to set up these clubs. All right, that worked. Now I can throw 1 more club on this 8. And I'm going to want to do that. I'm very short of clubs, so everybody here should have plenty of clubs. And the only real problem I have now is I didn't try to take this finesse here. But I have no more than 2 losers. Assuming I pull that extra heart out of East. Don't forget that extra heart. Okay, the extra heart out of West, wherever that extra heart is. And so we have 2 losers. So not the most solid play, but trying to finesse the spade, the queen of spades, was leaving me a little bit open for somebody taking that 8 off of the board with their jack and me losing the club as well. So this is getting me 4 hearts plus 1 guaranteed. You know what? I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll go ahead and play this out. There it is, 4 hearts plus 1. We'll take it. No imps now. Right now we're the only one playing that hand. Here's another weak hand. But here's the big difference. Terrible side suit control. We have 2 spade losers and 5 other losers and 2 heart losers on top of that. Yeah, this I'm not going to bid weak. Not only that, but it's only 5 points anyway. 5 high card points. And that queen is part of a doubleton, which really makes it very difficult to count that as high card points, legitimate high card points. So no, we're just going to be quiet about this. Partner open 1 club, East bid 1 spade. So I've got a lot of hearts, but I don't have a lot of points. Right? Well, I have 5, but I don't. If I say 2 hearts, right, then I've got trouble because I'm indicating more points. Partner may not have hearts. Just because I've got a lot of hearts doesn't mean partner has a lot of hearts. Partner, in fact, has a lot of clubs. So this is a nice rebid on partner. Probably going to lose the contract to 3 spades here. I mean, I could get all excited and start telling partner to bid or start telling partner about my hearts, and we could end up with a disastrous contract. We'll see. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. We have ended up with a 3 club contract, which is interesting. In fact, partner only had 1 heart. That was a good heart, though. One heart and 7 clubs. So kind of aggressive bidding here, but this is interesting. People that are playing better, you will see them definitely being a little more aggressive, and maybe, in your opinion, a lot more aggressive in their bidding. And here we have another heart, trying to finesse the queen. Doesn't work, but it has set up the jack. 1 club has been played. Partner's trying to draw out all the spades so that he can rough his remaining spades. Which is about to happen here unless East is out of spades, which East is not. The Jack of Hearts is good. I suspect we will see a diamond thrown on that. Perhaps. Or a spade. And 2 clubs have been played. All right, the Queen of Diamonds is good. And here comes another spade. West throws. 3 clubs have been played. All right, we are going down. 4, 5, 6 clubs have been played. We are going down 2. And that's it. I think we'll be down to lose to the ace, and the remaining clubs are good. So, very aggressive by partner. Definitely looking for me to have more points and support. But on the flip side, we may well have stolen a bid. So down 2 is 100 points for them. And right now we are showing 1.2 imps. We'll see whether or not that holds up or not. And the reason we're showing 1.2 imps is even though they got 100 points, had they taken the contract or set our clubs, they would have gotten more. So we'll see how that holds up. Kind of what you call a stolen bid there. What do I have here? I have 10, 11-ish high card points. 11-ish, doubleton jack. The doubleton king, I can go ahead and count, even if it is iffy, has 3 high card points without any problem, because we can try to assume that the ace and the king will fall and the ace will be good. But not necessarily. Interesting bidding going on here. I've got pretty good hand. West is open weak. North, my partner has doubled, asking me to bid. My best bid was hearts, but hearts is clearly not the suit we want to pay. Clubs, right? East has diamonds, spades, hearts. I'll go ahead and go to 4 clubs. And maybe partner will go. Partner won't have 6 spades. Partner would have bid spades. Might have been tempted to bid no trump. This is an aggressive bid on my part. It's kind of saying, well, everybody else is bidding the other suits. Why don't we assume that both me and my partner have clubs? Turns out that assumption is more or less valid. So we do have some losers, though. 1, 2 losers in diamonds, clearly. And that was ace little in diamonds against a partner that has a lot of hearts. So we're assuming a doubleton in diamonds, and we're going to get trumped. Yep. And now it kind of depends on where this king of hearts falls. This is bad. We can not do anything if the king is there. Oh, jeez. Okay, 2 clubs have been played. I thought that was good. The king was in the west. If East had a heart, right, we would be golden. Well, let's see where the king of clubs is. Not necessarily over here. Let's try the finesse. And the finesse works. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think that means there's 2 more out there. Let's find out. I think is correct. And so we can claim the last spade on club. Last heart on club anyway. So this heart will fall on this club, this spade will fall on this club. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I probably shouldn't have said anything. Okay, alright, they don't think I know what I'm talking about. That's fine. Yeah, last spade on the club and last heart. So cross rough, last spade, and heart. All right, so again, down 1. Maybe a good stolen bid. We'll see. Not. Clearly not. So they got 100 versus us getting 3 no Trump. So in fact, 3 no Trump was the bid. Yeah, outstanding. Or even 5 clubs, but what did I do wrong? Yeah, no. 5 clubs goes down 1. I should have made 4 clubs, but no, 4 clubs as me as declare goes down 1 as well. So we try. And we're getting bad points. It kind of depends on which side the clubs are declared on. We'll play one more hand here. 1 diamond. We have 6, 7, and maybe 10. We have 1, 2, 3. All right, so 1 heart, and I'm suspecting partner has minors, and I've got majors. Then some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. My goodness. So what a wacky hand. 7 hearts, 5 spades, and a diamond, and a king of diamonds, a singleton king of diamonds. Well, normally I'm not tempted to count those diamonds very strongly. My partner's bidding them. Now partner's also bidding, rebidding the diamonds. So that's showing at least 6 diamonds. So we have 7 diamonds in our partnership. So how do I count this hand? Well, I see 10 high card points. If I go ahead and count this king, I see 13 with the void and clubs. Partner has rebid. Partner hasn't jumped, but has, accepted my bidding. I see spade losers. Yeah. And I'm just not that strong in diamonds to go straight on up to game here. I think this is a little risky. We will see. Partner thinks he has a good hand. We are in game of diamonds. So this is aggressive bidding. But this is that part of my levels at the end where I said, otherwise compete. Oh boy. So we are in terrible shape on the diamonds. We are in amazing shape on the hearts. We're going to be able to draw 7 diamonds and have 4 left. Fortunately, partner is short in clubs. I'm seeing a club loser, a spade loser. And a diamond loser, at least. All right, queen and jack still out there. That's either 1 or 2 more losers. Only one way to find out. 1 loser. And that's it. All right, we got lucky there. So that's all the diamonds. We have now 2 more losers. So we are down 1. Down 1 is good bridge, as they say. I don't think it really matters here much of what partner discards. And we'll take this. Now, yeah, right? So, no, now we can make the contract, right? Because they should have won their spade. ha ha. Yeah. Lucky for us. Okay. Well, we're gonna get some good imps for this. Let's go ahead and watch this. So this is just luck. Somebody should have taken that spade right away, you know? Now the thing is, right? Well, you hold on to the spades to hold on to a strong defense, but with a long, hard game contract like 5 diamonds, and then we can only afford to lose 2. Grab those winners when you can. So had they done that, we would have been set. Yeah. And now you're not going to be an end. There goes throws away that ace. All right. So there, let's see. Well, they got imps for that. Don't know why. Presumably we could have done well in hearts. In fact, somebody even made a heart slam. Check that out, huh? Which was makeable. We had outstanding hearts, didn't we? Here you go. So here's the convention on the heart slam. 1 diamond, 3 hearts. Showing a lot of hearts and a weaker hand. Definitely a good bid right there. Very, very intelligent bid right there. 1 heart, 3. That's showing, again, a lot of hearts and a fairly weak hand. Right? I like it. And then they go up to 5 hearts, doubled, 6 hearts, right? Yeah. Beautiful bidding. Beautiful bidding. Definitely, let's see what south. All right. Definitely has played a lot. Don't know their level. What do we have here? 4 hearts and 5 hearts. Again, 1 diamond. All right, 1 diamond, 1 heart, 2 diamonds, 3 hearts. So, yeah, not 1 diamond, 1 heart, 3 clubs, 3 hearts. So that's a smart bid by that partner here, and that's a smart bid, right? With those 3 hearts, right? This is a little scary. It's a little off. It seems to have worked for them. 1 diamond, 2 hearts. And there you go again, showing a jump into the 2 hearts. So that's showing a weaker hand, but a lot of hearts. I think that's a bit I missed there, and that's one that I want to watch for, right? 1 diamond, 1 heart. Whereas really, doesn't it make more sense to do 1 diamond, 2 hearts to really show you how long those hearts are? You know, and how generally weak this thing is otherwise. And I think that would have gotten us into a nice hearts contract. Yeah, so having that lopsided hand, the lesson here, having that lopsided hand, right? Basically a 2-suited hand here. Look for ways to express that. And if you ask me, that's a fairly standard known way to do that right there. All right, 1 diamond, 2 hearts. Right, this is not a jump showing opening points, right? Because there's no need to do that. 1 diamond, 1 heart still says I can have, right, opening points or more, right? And then if I do, when partner rebids after my hearts bid, I'll start showing what I have in my hand points-wise there. So 1 diamond, 1 heart. So 1 diamond is opening points. 1 heart is anywhere from 6 to more. Right? It's not really saying 6 to 20. It doesn't really say. And that's what I meant when I say the more you bid, the more you narrow down this range. You know, bid again, then maybe I'm showing 6 to 10. Bid again, maybe I'm showing more. All right. Anyway, there you go. That last hand was definitely a teaching moment. 1 diamond, 2 hearts is not a jump showing opening points. 1 diamond, 2 hearts is a jump a minor to that jump to that major, 2-level at the major is showing a lot of that major and not such a good points, right? And then when I was playing, I was said, well, I don't want to show 2 because that shows more points. I'm forgetting. All right. Try not to forget. And practice makes perfect. Anyway, take care. Bye now.